So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically use center stage on your iPhone 17. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and open up our camera. Now when we do that, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and position your camera to the front camera. So click on this camera option right here and switch it over to the front camera. Now when you do that, you're going to see a couple things at the bottom. But right above this camera photo icon thing right here, you're going to see the zoom in, zoom out icon, as well as that center stage icon. It's that second icon right there. If you want to automatically switch over to that center stage icon, all you have to do is go ahead, tap onto that center stage icon, and now you're going to see it automatically jump into center stage on that front camera. So that's basically all you have to do. Now if you want to get back out of center stage, if you want to get out of this way, just once again tap onto center stage right there. It's going to automatically crop back in. So it'll use that wide angle camera or that ultra wide. Basically it's just a cropped in version of that ultra wide. So that's basically it. You can click on this camera. It also works for video as well. Tap on here if you want to switch it over to video, and tap right here if you want to switch it out, and then you can flip your camera that way. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.